Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really fun cut crease look. I just think it's really cool because it wants to be a smoky eye, but then it kind of brightens up at the very bottom, and with that white glitter going on there, I just think it's a really fun, different, interesting look that I think was fun to do today. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so this look, how I was mentioning, it is so easy to do. It is the quickest, yeah, I guess you could just say the quickest look you can do right now, but it definitely looks, you know, pretty time consuming, but it's so easy. So for starters, I'm using that Kairty Nudes and Nudes palette. All I'm doing is going into Nell, which is this color. It's like a pinky purple, well, I guess you could say like a mauve color. And all I'm doing is, all I'm doing is throwing this in the crease. And my eyes are already primed when I did the concealer, so that is already done. That's all I did. Okay, so when that is all done, now I went into my Kairty eyeshadow primer just because I wanted a little base for the loose powder to stick to, but I did not want a glitter glue. And since this did not have a lot of pigment, as in like a yellowy tan look, I thought this was perfect because I want this eyeshadow that I'm going to be putting on to have all its pigment possible. And it is called Rock Crystal from Bare Minerals. So yeah, it's Rock Crystal, and I don't know if you could kind of see, I don't want to tilt it too much. Let's see. It looks like that. It's a very pretty yellow, but it's like a very light pastel color. So I'm going to just get that and just tap it all over the lid. So once you have that on, I'm just using the other end to wipe away that. And now I am just going to get my Tarte Shape Tape and just dab a very tiny bit on the back of my hand like that, because you don't need a lot. I'm just using this to sculpt out my crease. And right now I know it looks kind of like what happened, like it's kind of a little messy, but I want that because when I put the glitter glue, I have more room, but then you can sculpt out how much of the glitter you want on there. And that's what I did with this side. I wanted it to be seen a lot more better rather than like a very thin line. So now I'm just putting on the glue. Okay, so now with that brush that I used to put the concealer on, I'm just going to dip that and put it all over. Okay, so now that that is done, I just want to sculpt out the yellow and that purpley shade a bit more to really get this placed right. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my waterline and tight line and then throw on my eyeliner mascara, then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I just want to go ahead and press that purpley shade up against my lashes. And then now I just want to put a little bit of that yellow shade under, just a very light amount. just to blend out the purple and have a little tint of yellow. And I'm gonna put my mascara on the bottom lashes, and I'm just using the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. And then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm just using the Ulta Cosmetics Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut, and that's what I also put all over my face. And highlight those areas. Okay. And for a lip, I'm not gonna do a liner or anything. I'm just going to use the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the shade Dreamy. So now I'm gonna just set my face with some Fix Plus. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think it's so fun because it's in between being a smoky yet bright eye look, and I just love it. I think it's a really fun, different, and interesting look to put together. So yeah, if there's any other looks you guys want me to do or products to try, please put those in the comments down below, and I'll definitely try to get to those. I definitely have one more cut crease look that I'm going to be doing on here for sure. But yeah, with all of that being said, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, so I love you guys, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.